Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's another Bang Bang Bowling Bros series.
Oh God.
We've got another 3-part series. It's going to be our channel, The House Bowling, and TV Bowling Supply. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels, but the first challenge is going to be switching styles. So it's going to be me and Mikey versus Kev, Packy, and Chris. The two-handers versus the one-handers. We're going to switch styles. Mikey and I are going to bowl two-handed. The rest of the boys are going to bowl one-handed. Let's see how it goes. Time to do.
I thought they were dry.
Hard start, guys. Hard start. Let's go. Hot start.
It's all right.
Playing, Kev.
False sense of security.
That's close. Yeah, he's actually good at this.
I got it.
Alright.
All right, got him. Not that far left.
Yeah, maybe not. Maybe steeper. Don't fall.
You know what? Okay. 9 out or out 9, that's not bad.
Out 9.
Hook. Hook.
Don't hook.
Oh, it's not big.
That one does
We
not
got the
hook.
lead.
On the
The
bench.
house ball hooks more.
Yeah, it's because it's heavier.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
It does.
Ladder balls hook more reps.
Why my ball hook so much?
It's a big spare here.
How do I shoot this?
Backup ball.
Backup?
I would probably say backup ball.
Oh, he's getting none. Oh, God.
Maybe.
No.
That's good count. All right.
It's a great three.
We're shooting 90.
Oh, I really want to just like fireball at the pocket.
That's close.
Oh, wow.
Let's go. Let's go.
Switching styles, one-handed lefty. Just not hooking it though.
Yeah, we're here to
Not
win.
hooking it, just one-handed.
We're here to win.
Oh, he
Oh,
straps
that's money.
on it.
That's money. Oh.
He almost 3-7.
Give the man his hit.
I was like about to fist bump, but I was like, where?
Hook a lot.
Yo! Ooh! Not gonna lie, it's not looking good
Sorry,
for,
this is an
the
open.
two-handers. Hook.
I knew it.
Stand up and fly.
Okay, we can make that.
It's our time to shine.
It's pretty good.
Oh,
Bro.
my God. All right, Dan, we got to pick up
It's
pace.
quality spare. It's
Let's play
quality
for more
spare.
curve.
We got to pick up pace.
Yeah. All the time.
Yes. No. Yes.
Oh, that's tough, dude.
Thought it was good.
Tough spare here, boys. Tough spare. Brad would say the 4-pins move.
That one did move too.
And hit the pin. Hit a hook.
He was worried.
It's the beginning. Oh my
Hook a little
goodness.
bit. Oh.
It's a tough spare.
This is a miss. That's what this is.
About to throw your third shot.
Oh, you picked
Hey,
it up.
That's it. I'm switching. I'm converting. I'm
Yeah,
converting.
Wheel.
That's got a hook. Push.
They're using a ball that has surface on it.
Yeah.
I think this is cheap. Yeah, that mix is urethane, right?
It's part plastic.
Oh no.
Wow.
Oh yes.
They're keeping,
2 marks in a row.
they're keeping it respectable.
Well,
Chris is about to give him the heater here.
12 and a half.
We're right in there.
Oh, that's got a push.
Oh, push.
Hook.
I guess I was right the first time. To make sure it hooks enough. Here we go. Come on.
Oh, that's ace.
Uh-oh.
Hook.
All right, Darren, it's our time to shine.
Sorry, Darren hasn't hit the pocket yet.
Brooklyn.
Oh, Brooklyn for
Brooklyn.
sure.
Carry.
Oh, there's too much oil in the pin
And it got
bag.
further away. Dude, we can't get a hit.
I can't believe that. That really stinks.
Yeah. That is unlucky.
That's
It's really unfortunate that you guys can't
Is
get a
it?
hit like that. I'm sorry.
Unbelievable.
It's a make.
That'd be fantastic. It's not.
Maybe.
If it was on spot, it probably still would have missed.
You know what? We made up ground that frame.
Yeah, it moved like half
We made up
an
5
inch.
pins that frame.
You gotta respect the effort.
That's pretty much 10 back. Oh, the wrap 10.
How is his spare
was-
shooting? 8-baggers are better than spares.
That's two-handed Kevin. Maybe one-handed Kevin. I'm
Is he
two
gonna
spare.
switch hands for the spare or what?
No, I'm fully committed. I feel like that's cheating if I go left-handed.
Oh,
wow. Why are we so good at 10 pins opposite style?
It's because one-handed is literally easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I picked it up two-handed.
Yeah, but you threw a 10-pound ball. It doesn't count.
Why are we gonna switch? Are we switching
It's
this week?
easier. Look at the score. Gary!
Give me one.
Oh my god.
You threw it 100.
Shut up.
Sorry, it's a super easy spare too.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, I know it isn't.
It's all in your head.
It's all in my head.
It's all in your head.
It's in my head that this spare is unmakeable.
Oh my god, no.
Oh god.
Good spare, Kevin.
Good spare, Kevin. All right.
We still got 170 out there. We need one open and
right.
5 baggers.
Somebody made me laugh.
Yeah. I mean, oh, it's 10 back.
There's no way he picks it up again, right?
I'm a shooter.
No way.
From
Always
the
hit the
hip.
head pin.
Bang.
Tell me I can't slow wheel
All right,
one
Darren,
more
we're striking.
time.
I thought they were hard.
We're striking.
They are hard. We're just that good.
I think their lane's easier.
Little piece of cork from the back.
Hit the head pin. What was that?
Oh, good 5, good 5.
I'm getting bad reads, man.
Bad reads.
Yeah, Mikey's not exactly
5'10"
lining
and
me
moved
up.
right.
I've hit the 1-3 like the last 3 shots.
He went to Brooklyn and moved 10 right.
I thought it was one of those, you know, too much in the flatness of the pattern.
No, unfortunately
Yeah, so
not.
that's not how it works when they don't oil for 3
What
weeks.
pattern?
Yeah.
Yes, please focus.
It's gonna be a 10 pin only.
It's pretty
Messenger.
good.
Oh, that's a shame. I hate taking these easy dubs like this.
We're gonna shoot 100.
We have as many misses as they have marks. Count it.
All right,
That's a tough
we can make
spare,
that.
bad count on a spare.
We can make that.
When's the last time they oiled here?
Because this is a miss, so I'm gonna bowl.
That's pretty close.
Now back up.
Yeah, baby.
How am I picking everything up?
That was the one that was going to keep hooking, and then you were going to miss
Easy
it.
spare. Easy spare. It doesn't matter what you're doing.
It literally doesn't.
Yes.
Cannot be stopped.
Yes! No!
You guys can get to 100 though, that's good.
No!
Oh,
Yeah, why don't you just take
man.
your thumb out? It's
Good
so
shot.
much easier to
Me,
strike.
me, me.
Shot.
Do you have one?
This game.
Put him in the grave. Put him in the grave. Oh boy. We do need to
Is it
capitalize
a
this.
running point
This is
total?
3 game total pinfall.
Oh god,
Oh.
there's still so many shots.
Do I hook at this? Yes.
Oh boy.
Oh,
Okay, that's clean. Yeah, there we
you
go.
guys' lane is walled, man.
There we go. There we go.
It doesn't take countable one.
In the middle, and then you get it right, and it's
If
shaking
you
into
want,
whatever you throw.
if you want, we can switch lanes with you.
No.
Are you sure?
Darren's like, how about yes?
Hook. Strike. Damn, that's a good game.
It's shaping all
That's a
kinds
great
of nice
game.
over there.
168.
168.
Come
Dude,
on.
it's easy being one-handed.
All right. We gotta get some back.
Get 3.
3 strikes. Why not
Oh, man, that's a hard one to pick
To
up.
be honest, I'm a little bummed that they shot 100.
We broke 100.
I'm just saying we got to like 110 if we got a hit.
We had 2 opens. All right, 106 ain't bad.
We had 2 opens there,
Ain't
2
bad,
spares.
guys.
We got a
How's that for us?
62 pin lead early in this 3 game total pin match.
Then we got lane diffed. Shout out to Wichita State for letting us come down here and do our thing and mess around like fools. This is only part 1 of 3. Make sure you check out part 2 on TV Bowling Supply, and part 3 will follow up on the House Bowling channel. So thanks for watching. The score is 168 to 106. The one-handers are down in the dumps, but we have 2 more games to figure it out. See you next time.